They sleep when it gets cold, and the leaves turn. They turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight, water, and earth in the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow. That's how plants grow. A note becomes a chord, becomes a phrase, becomes a melody, and a note becomes a monster. Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. You plant the seed, it settles in. And then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. And then there were more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants away. Oh, hey, away. Look at the stars in the big black ink. Tell me what to feel and tell me what to think. Is it cold outside? Is it cold out? This is what I live for. This is a wondrous chill. And yes, it can be lonely. But hey, do what you will. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I am weird. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I'm so cold. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? They say that we are monsters, but I don't really care, because I know that someday we'll soar up in the air. And now that you are landed, together we will share a carefree life from monsters, because here we walk on air. Away. You can see me in the sky, and yet you don't know how to fly. And I don't want to be here alone. Take a chance, just take a step and take a leap of faith with me. Can't you feel that it's in the air? The ocean's deep, the current strong. Right here I found where I belong. It's all around. Can you feel the sound? I'm alright now, cool, calm, and clear like water. I'll make it somehow. I'll go with the flow like water. I'm alright now, cool, calm, and clear like water. I'll make it somehow. I'll go with the flow like water. Away, away, oh. Just keep your feet on the ground and move your head all around. You put your hands in the air and move with the sound. Do the earthquake. I am a mountain. You are my stones. We come from the ashes of where I arose. And I can be mighty, and you can be strong. We build the foundation of where it all comes from. Do the earthquake. Do the earthquake. Every monster knows how this tale goes, so every monster shares all the myths on how it happened to keep the legend alive. That's life, you know, and that's how it goes. In the past, the continent broke apart and all is lost in time. Everything faded out of existence, but finally we reignited the flame. We all thought they won't survive. We all must keep the legend alive. You light the flame and it powers this whole island. Let's all make it burn forevermore. Look at the landscape and you'll find the fire haven their home. Hey da do da, hey da day, hey da do da, hey da do da day, hey da do da, hey da day, hey da do da, hey da do day.